January is National Human Trafficking Prevention Month.
It's a time to raise awareness about the nearly 25 million people reportedly trapped in some type of human trafficking across the U.S. and the world. Every year, advocates say around 500 Mainers are victimized by human trafficking, but only a fraction of cases are actually reported to authorities.
News Center Maine's Vivian Lee tells us about efforts underway in the Mid-Coast to help survivors get on the right path to healing and success.
Nearly a year ago, Brittany was so trapped, going to jail was the only way to escape.
Could go to sleep every night, just knowing I was safe.
We're not using Brittany's real name so we can protect her identity. Wanted on drug-related offenses, she turned herself in to break free from her alleged trafficker.
Things got violent, and he knew I couldn't call the cops. It just felt totally hopeless, because I didn't see a way out.
Brittany has struggled with substance use disorder since her teens. Unable to afford to go to a methadone clinic, she ended up living with someone who gave her methadone. In exchange, she was the alleged dealer's literal slave, forced to live in his apartment without a phone, cut off from her family and friends.
I would have to do really whatever he wanted.
Behind bars, she met Sarah Krajewski, the sexual assault response team coordinator for the Sexual Assault Support Services of Mid-Coast Maine.
It was almost like a tornado. She was like a hurricane.
She really helped me understand that I was a survivor.
Sarah connected Brittany with mental health resources and treatment. She works both with male and female prisoners throughout the Mid-Coast. She says economic hardship, especially during the pandemic, and no access to mental health services often increases someone's vulnerability.
That is what leads to trafficking. Those are the things that we need to address.
Adam LaBelle is a correctional officer and oversees programs including adult education and book clubs available to inmates at the Two Bridges Regional Jail. He says Sarah's outreach is giving prisoners like Brittany hope.
We want to help as many people as we can, and I think we try to do that, and sometimes we see those people come back, and it takes a couple times.
Now, advocates say it's so important that survivors have a support system to go to after they're released from jail, because it's key to their success and making sure that they're not exploited again. Brittany is now living in a safe house, working towards reuniting with her 4 children, and is about to mark 1 year of sobriety. Sarah, meanwhile, who follows many of her clients on their journey of healing,
But they know that there is someone to reach out to,
is always a phone call away. In Brunswick, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Now, according to law enforcement, anyone can be a victim of human trafficking because the majority of cases are committed by someone known to the victim. We'll have more information on signs to look out for, as well as resources on our website and our News Center Maine app.